In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pass opt-in form review for GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, compliant opt-in form that reviewers can approve with confidence. First, open GoHighLevel and head to your account's main dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Sites. This is where all your web assets live, including the forms you'll submit for review. Next, choose Forms. You'll land in the Form Manager, where you can build new forms or edit existing ones. Click Create Form. You'll typically see options to start from a template or build your own. Templates can be handy, but to control every compliance detail, we'll start from scratch in this walkthrough. Select Start from Scratch, then click Create to open the builder. Begin by giving your form a clear, descriptive title. Think of it as internal documentation that helps your team and reviewers quickly understand the purpose, like Newsletter Opt-in Weekly Tips. Precise naming reduces back and forth during review. Now look for the Quick Add area. This lets you drop in common fields without hunting through the entire toolbox. Use it to place essential contact fields quickly, then fine-tune them. Keep your form short. Fewer fields improve conversion and make intent obvious to reviewers. Next, go to Add Object Fields. Add the key fields your campaign requires, such as first name and email. If you plan to send SMS, include phone, and mark it as required only if it's essential to your follow-up strategy. For compliance, make sure your email field is required and validates properly. Add a clear consent checkbox with transparent language that states what people are signing up for, how often you'll contact them, and the channel you'll use, such as email or SMS. If you reference a privacy policy or terms, include that in the checkbox text so it's visible at the point of submission. Avoid vague promises or hype. Plain, accurate wording passes review faster and builds trust. As you arrange the fields, keep your form visually simple. Use concise labels, keep placeholders helpful but not misleading, and ensure the Submit button text reflects the action like Get Updates or Request Access. Reviewers look for clarity of intent and user consent, so prioritize readability. When you're satisfied, click Save. Saving locks in your configuration so you don't lose work. At this point, your form is ready to be placed into your funnels or pages and submitted for review. Before you move on, do a quick personal test submission to confirm required fields, the consent checkbox, and messaging behave exactly as intended. A clean, accurate form with explicit permission language is the fastest path to approval.